unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
A KVM, keyboard, video, mouse, switch allows a user to control multiple computers from a single keyboard, monitor, and mouse. By streamlining the workspace and reducing hardware clutter, it enhances productivity and efficiency. Simply connect the computers to the KVM switch using compatible cables, and toggle between them usually with a push of a button, keyboard shortcut, or software interface. This setup is ideal for data centers, testing environments, and anyone looking to manage multiple systems seamlessly.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.